Welcome to our chapter 9, that is rational number. Let's get started with our exercise 9.1. What is rational number? The rational number is a real number that can be written as a ratio of two integers, like we can write 16 or 1 by 2. Then coming to our first question of 9.1, list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. How will we get the numbers between 5 and -1 and 0? We'll be taking their denominators, like -1 we'll be multiplying with 6 upon 6. Whatever number you will be multiplying in the numerator, you have to multiply in the denominator, and condition is that both the numbers should have the same denominator. So that will be -6 by 6, and if you multiply 0 by 6 upon 6, it will be 0 by 6. Now numbers between -6 and 0 will be -5 minus 5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, -1 upon 6. We have to write the numbers which are in between, right? Going to the third part, second part you can try yourself, that is -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. Here you will be taking the LCM of the denominator, that is 5 and 3, which is 15. 4 by 5 into 3 by 3, that is -12 by 15. -2 by 3 multiplied with 5 will become -10 by 15. So the numbers between -12 and -10 is not possible. So what we'll do, will be taking the multiple of the LCM value. So we'll multiplying the next number with 3, because 15 3 is a 45, so the numerator will also get multiplied with 3, will become -36 and -30. So numbers are -35 by 45, -34 by 45, -33 by 45, -32 by 45, and -31 by 45. You can try both part yourself. That is 4 rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So in the pattern -3 by 5, -6 by 10, -9 by 15, -12 by 20. So we have to follow the pattern. We have to check that if with which number you will multiply, you will be getting the next number. As it is shown, it will be multiplied with 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So similarly we can multiply with 5, then multiplying with 6, multiplying with 7, and then multiplying with 8. We'll be getting -15 by 25, -18 by 30, -21 by 35, -24 by 40. Moving to question second part, that is -1 by 4 and -2 by 8, -3 by 12. So it is again being multiplied with 1, 2, and 3. We will be multiplying the next series, that 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we'll be getting the answer -4 by 16, -5 by 20, -6 by 24, and -7 by 28. Similarly, you can solve the third part yourself and the fourth part. Then coming to question number 3, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to -2 by 7. Like -2 by 7 needs to be multiplied with 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, then 4 by 4, and then 5 by 5. It is equal to -4 by 14, -6 by 21, -8 by 28, and -10 by 35. So these are the required equivalent rational numbers. Coming to question number 4, draw the number line, represent the rational number on it. So the number is given 3 by 4, as we have to draw between 0 to 1. Taking one number less of the denominator, will be marking 1, 2, and 3. That will be 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. So that 3 by 4 will be marking as the point required. Similarly, you can try for these number lines. So number 5 question is the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B on the number line. T, R, R, S, S, U, A, P, they are equal. AP, PQ, and QB are equal. You have to name the rational number which are representing P, Q, R, and S. So accordingly we'll keep on counting the whole number, and the next part, like P point is coming after the whole number 2, and there are 2 lines in between, so it will be 2, 1 by 3 and that will be 7 by 3, and similarly Q is 8 by 3. Then comes R is minus 4 by 3 and this S is minus 5 by 3. Then question number 6, which of the following pairs represent the rational number, that is minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. That means what we have to do, we have to make their denominators equal, that 7 into 9, 21 into 9, 3 into 21 and 21 into 9. In this way we are getting minus 63 by 189 and plus 63 by 189. So minus 63 is not equal to 63, so they do not represent the same rational number. Similarly, you can try these parts. Coming to question number 7, rewrite the following rational number in the simplest form, that we have to divide them by any common factor, that is minus 8 by 6 divided by 2, it will become minus 4 by 3. We have to divide by the highest common factor so that in one step we can go ahead with the converting into simplest form, like 25 by 45. HCF is 5, so we'll be dividing by 5, we'll be getting 5 by 9. Moving to question number 8, that is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. We have to make their denominators equal. 5 by 7 can be multiplied by 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 is multiplied by 7 by 7. It will be minus 15 by 21 and plus 14 by 21, and minus value is lesser as compared to the positive value. So minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Similarly, you can try for these parts. Coming to question number 9, which is greater in each of the following. This is equally the same, that you have to make the denominators equal, like you will be multiplying 2 by 3 with 2 upon 2, and 5 by 2 is also to be multiplied by 3 by 3. It will become 4 by 6 and 15 by 6. Now their denominators are equal. On the basis of their numerators we can decide which is greater, that is 15 by 6, that is 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3. Similarly, coming to the last question, that is write of the rational number in the ascending order. We'll be solving the numbers like first question is having the denominators all equal, otherwise we have to make the denominators equal as in the previous questions we have done. Minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, we can write in the denominators are same, so minus 3 is less than minus 2 less than minus 1, so the required ascending order is minus 3 by 5 less than minus 2 by 5 less than